wind advisory now in effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? Until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. There will be a brief lull in wind gusts between 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. before they strengthen again overnight. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.